I'm Richard from DPReview, and I'm here with the Fujifilm X-E5. It's the company's latest mid-range, rangefinder-style mirrorless camera, and it is a significant upgrade over its predecessor. Previous X-E cameras progressively got smaller and more stripped down generation to generation. Well, that's not the case here. The X-E5 has gone back up market, which you can see in a number of places. It regains a second clickable command dial and the dedicated focus mode switch on the side of the camera. The new design has more of a front and rear grip, and an X100 style self-timer switch and button combination on its front plate. And although I'd originally thought of the film simulation dial as being more of a feature for entry-level users, I don't think many photographers will turn their noses up at the one on the X-E5. I mean, come on, that's lovely. There are 3 custom positions on the film sim dial that not only let you specify a film simulation, but also a host of parameters to go with it, to save what have become known as recipes. Beyond this, the underlying spec is pretty solid too, with the same 40 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, now image stabilized, as the X-T5, along with a very similar set of features, including 6.2K video at up to 30p, so it should be able to deliver the substance to live up to the style. Alongside the X-E5, Fujifilm has released a 23mm f2.8 pancake lens. And that combination is likely to be about as close to an X100 alternative as you're likely to find. In terms of pricing, in the US, the X-E5 will launch for $1699 or $1899 with the kit lens. This is $300 more than the X-T50 launched for. Interestingly though, in the UK, the X-E5 is launching for £1,299, which is the same price as the X-T50 launched for. In terms of availability, Fujifilm says the camera will be available in accordance with forecast demand. Now, we can't know precisely what that means, but it's noticeable that they're not making the 23mm lens available on its own until later in the year. Presumably because they don't want to be stuck not able to sell X-E5 kits because all of the lenses have sold out. We've been waiting a long time for the X-E5, so long that we were beginning to wonder whether we were going to see one at all. But perhaps it's been worth the wait, because other than the lack of a built-in flash, this is much closer to the small-bodied, enthusiast-friendly mirrorless camera that this series started off as. We're going to be going out and shooting with it and collecting insights over the coming weeks, so stay tuned to dpreview.com